Now, it's not a mystery to you guys by now to know that I love the Pioneer 500. It's a small, nimble little machine that can get you anywhere the bigger, faster machines can get you. And it's probably safe to assume as well that a lot of you subscribe to my channel because you yourself have a Pioneer 500. Plus, I'm kind of partial because I have my successful start as a YouTuber mostly due in part to this guy. And although the 500 is a great little machine, it does have a couple little things that it could be better at. Suspension, locking differential. But besides that, there is another area the 500 severely lacks in, and that is built-in storage. And when I mean lack of storage, I am talking about complete, non-existent storage. Now yes, you can buy Honda factory accessories like the underhood storage box, the underseat storage box, but again, that's just more money you have to dish out to add something that would be nice for this to have when you buy it. But the problem with those is in order to access them, you either have to take the hood off or you have to take the seat off. And that can be a pain if you just have one or two little things you need to throw somewhere like a cell phone. But thankfully, the lack of storage the 500 has can be a thing of the past, thanks to a fellow by the name of Joe Kepler, who makes these nice little glove boxes that install quick, give you a quick access via a magnetic lid. So stick around, I'm going to install one of these guys on my 500 today and show you why you need to get a hold of Joe and order one of these for yourself. Now, because this glove box is cut with the profile and made to fit here in the dash where your warning sticker was, I did have to remove my switch plate from Pioneer switch panels and accessories and throw my switches just over here at the dash. But I got all that stuff moved. And now to install this, simply all I got to do is measure a ½ inch from this outer edge here and finish cutting this out, and then this box will slip right in the hole. The question is, can I work here without sticking my head in the camera? My tape's wore so bad I can't really make out my lines. Christmas is over and I'm still humming and singing Christmas songs. Oh, sorry for you staring at the back of my head. Doctor, I don't think he'll make it. Of course he'll make it. I'm the best surgeon in the world. Just watch as I work. I can't get my jigsaw in there. Doctor, what are we gonna do? We're gonna lose him. Not on my watch. Utility knife. Doctor, we're losing him. He's flatlining. Poppycock, we're not losing him. Box. So now we've got our hole done. You'll see here that Joe puts a little threaded stud here in the back of the box and 2 nuts. You want to remove the 1 nut. Leave the 1 nut on, wind it clear back here. The bolt stud that Joe puts on the back of these will line up right with the little tab here in a hole that's already there from the factory. It's like Honda was going to put a glove box in here and then decided that they weren't going to. And you may or may not have to take this magnet off, take this bolt out to get it in your hole, because I had this cut already for my switch plate. My hole's a little bigger than what you actually need to cut. So let me throw this in here and I'll show you that stud this lines up with. So once you have the hole big enough and you have the glove box in the dash here, you can see where it comes through. So it's just a matter of lining that stud up into the hole that's already there, and then taking your other nut, which is a 7/16 nut, tighten it up on the one side, drawing the glove box in tight and secure. And then taking the nut on the back side and securing it nice and snug as well. And it's as simple as that. Joe sends these glove boxes out, fully assembled, ready for paint. So installing Joe's glove box is quick, it's easy. The first thing you have to do is cut into your dash, and you can simply do that with a utility knife if you have nothing else. And it's a great addition to your Pioneer 500 to give you just a little bit of extra storage. Now, one more thing I didn't show on my install, is I went around the lip of the glove box with my Ultra Black sealer. That's not required for the glove box to go in, but I wanted to seal around that nice and airtight to help keep cold air coming in. So that's what I did. So if you'd like to pick up one of these glove boxes for your own 500, then you can message Joe through his Pioneer 500 glove box Facebook page, which I'll leave a link in my description below. Or you can head on over to the Honda Side-by-Side forum at HondaSXS.com, and he's username Chuglin or Choglin. I'm not sure how he pronounces it. I'll spell it right here for you so you can see how it's spelled. And you can send him a message over there. That's it for this upload. Until next time, guys, it doesn't matter what you ride as long as you ride. So keep on riding.
Doctor, you did it! You're amazing! Of course I did it! A blind baboon with a crooked tail and OCD could have done a surgery as easy as that. Now, where's my golf clubs?